Today we're doing an unboxing of the Avalon King Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating. So far I've ordered this directly from the Avalon King website. Their tech support has actually been very good. They send an email to everybody with a lot of details of the application. They give you a point of contact if you have any questions about the application or about your order. They're very good about following up with the tracking information, and so far it's been a very great experience buying from them. I think their customer service, even though I haven't really needed anything from a problem yet, their customer service has been great. Now for the Armor Shield 9, let's actually get this open and see what's in it. First thing you have when opening up everything, they have this very nice card that comes with it with the fancy silver shiny lettering. It's actually a fairly nice touch. This is a good weight to it, but I think it is a bit of a gimmicky marketing thing. Now here is the actual vial. So this is about 30 milliliters. It should be enough to do roughly 2 coats on a normal sized car. It usually takes somewhere around 15 milliliters per vehicle, depending on the size. With a truck, you might go over to like the 15 to 25 milliliter range. This is a very snug fit in here. Jeez. Creative, putting everything else through this tiny hole in the bottom. Actually, this whole thing peels out to make it easier if you need it to. This is a nice plush microfiber towel. That's actually going to be very good for wiping off the coating after it's starting to haze. These here are the nitrile gloves. And the last piece you get here is these little, almost like a glasses cloth. It's like a really thin microfiber. That's for the application. And then this here is the applicator sponge itself. So there's only one soft side to the sponge, that's this side here. You can kind of see the line right going through there. And of course, no ceramic coating kit would be complete without a sticker. I'm not going to embarrass myself trying to get that out right now though. I will, however, grab these instructions, and as I already said, they did send instructions on how to prep and get everything done already through some of their emailings. I'm kind of expecting these to be about the same. Yeah, right here, wash, clay bar, polish, IPA wipe, and then if you don't want to do all that, you can just do the IPA wipe after a wash. And the directions are very straightforward. It's putting the little cloth around the sponge with that little soft side on the bottom, applying a little bit of the coating across the whole thing, wiping it. You're going to have to do a small area at a time. You'll have to do it across in 2 different directions. Then after 2 to 5 minutes, it starts to haze. You wipe everything with the microfiber cloth. You'll get a little bit of a rainbow effect if something is a little high. So you really want to pay special attention to those areas as well. And then you just do this process over and over until you cover the entire vehicle. On the back side of this, they give you all of the correct maintenance and upkeep if you want different layering, the drying and curing, any miscellaneous information that you'll really need without providing too much in any one category, it seems. But actually, this is a very good, concise, and actually useful applicator guide. I think this is a very well done, well thought out kit. Now, I'll do a separate video on how to apply it and the actual process of me applying this. I'll put a link to that in the description below. But in the meantime, this is everything you need to fully apply the kit and all the information you'll need to maintain it afterwards. All of the prep and everything, it doesn't include anything for the prep, and that is for any ceramic coating, not just the Avalon King's coatings. The prep is probably the biggest and most important step prior to putting everything on. That's all I got for this episode. Thanks for watching.